Some love to gossip because they say the truth has become very boring. It doesn't sell, earn likes or followers. They'd rather harm others by spreading juicy false tales than speak the boring, unwanted, unpopular truth. Be wary of such people. More importantly, don't become one. Do you want a good day? Well, start with the Almighty and end with the Almighty. Everything in between gets that much easier. Remember to do your best always, purify your intentions, and whenever you find something is too much to handle, hand it over to the Lord of the worlds. Don't dwell on how privileged you are and how good your life is. It's how you end the journey that matters. Strive to live a life that endears you to your Creator. Everything else is secondary. Keep asking for a good end. Remember, nothing is guaranteed in life, not even tomorrow. As humans, we will get frustrated from time to time. When that happens, when our emotions begin to drive us, take a step back from the situation and let the Almighty take over. Pray that He grants us wisdom each time. Don't feel like you have to do it alone. He's only a call away. Don't underestimate the power of prayer. Don't ask the Almighty for help only as the last resort. He fully expects us to make an effort to solve our problems, but He doesn't want us to do it alone. He's always there for us but waits for us to reach out. Call out to Him. Don't ever believe that you're the only one facing problem after problem. It's all a matter of perception and perspective. Other people have been there before or have had it worse. There's light at the end of the tunnel. The path is there. Trust the Almighty in your journey. Do your best always, but don't expect perfect results. Remember, you're human. You're a work in progress. Take ownership of your mistakes. Learn from them. Forgive others when they make mistakes too. You'll be a much happier person with a very different outlook towards life. Don't rejoice over the misfortune of others. Remember, the Almighty is the fairest of judges. Let Him repay or punish others for whatever they've done. He's all-seeing, all-knowing. We shouldn't find joy in anybody's sorrow. Surely we wouldn't like it if we were in their shoes. Are you feeling anxious? Wondering what's ahead? Your mind's racing and your heart's beating so fast. You keep asking where all this will lead to? One moment you're panicking, the next, you're calm. The Almighty wants you to trust that no matter what's ahead, He is always with you. Gossip is wrong, no matter how you look at it. Spreading malicious rumors will not only hurt the person concerned, but it can actually backfire on the person who originated the inconsiderate falsehood. No one ever benefits from mean and hurtful discussions about other people.